Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the Ps5, unplug it, and wait a full minute so internal capacitors discharge. Next, lay the console flat with the logo face down, lift the corner and slide the left cover toward the back. That releases clips. You do this to avoid breaking tabs and to access the SSD bay safely. Once the cover is off, set it aside and organize the screws in a tray so nothing gets lost. Now you remove the metal shield over the M2 slot, unscrew the single M2 retention screw and set it aside. If a heatsink or thermal assembly is present, loosen its screws and lift straight up. This prevents cable or pad damage. Grip the SSD by the edges, pull it out at a low angle, and slide it from the slot. Do not touch the gold connector because oils and static cause read issues. You do this to prevent damage. Finish by reversing the steps. Inspect and reseat any thermal pads, then replace the M2 screw to secure the bay or reinstall the heatsink with even pressure so thermal contact is maintained. Once the metal shield goes back, align the outer cover tabs and slide it forward until you feel a firm click. That ensures proper fit. Plug in and power on. Go to the storage settings to confirm detection. If the drive is not seen, reseat the SSD and screw, and test again to rule out connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.